I'm Rob. And I'm James. We're for Fredericton Volkswagen.
And we got a question for you. Are you in the market for your next SUV? We're here to tell you that the Volkswagen Taos will check all the boxes for you.
Right now, we've got 35 Taos on the ground with another 30 or 35 in transit. We've got every color and every trim.
And with the 1.5-liter engine, 170 horsepower, you're still going to get great fuel mileage.
Taos, you can get Volkswagen's legendary 4Motion all-wheel drive. I know the weather's getting pretty nice right now, but come next winter, Taos has got you covered. Don't forget, all Volkswagen Taos come with standard Android Auto or Apple CarPlay.
What about a heated steering wheel?
Standard heated steering wheel, not so nice in the summertime, but sure comes in handy in the winter.
Wow, and all that, and you can lease this for $99 a week plus taxes, or you can finance it for $133 a week, taxes in.
You got it, James. And you know what we should do? Let's throw in 2 years of complimentary prepaid maintenance on all in-stock units.
Whew, I love it. Though Volkswagen has the lowest cost of ownership, this data is verified by third-party Vincentric.
So what's next? It's simple. Come on down to Fredericton Volkswagen at 350 Bishop Drive. We'll be happy to see you when you get here.
Volkswagen.